subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
Vivo has launched its new mid-range 5G phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y52s, and it is the successor of the Vivo Y51s smartphone that was launched in July this year. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y52s features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate and a tall 20.1:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57MC3 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. As per the camera, the Vivo Y52s supports a dual camera setup on the rear in a squarish module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The dual rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18 watts fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with liquid cooling system that maintains the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.15 by 75.35 by 8.40mm and it weighs around 185.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y52s has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1598 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1798 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Coral Sea, Titanium Grey and Moonlight color options, and it will go on sale starting from December 12th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y52s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSoul blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.